Most creators grow by guessing. Post more, post often, hope something hits. And call the one that pops going viral, like it was weather. The creators who actually grow on purpose run a system that removes the guess. I know, because I had to rebuild this channel on it after the guessing version got 5 views a video. Here's the system. Here's what guessing actually costs you. And it's not just slow growth. You make 50 videos. They underperform. And because there was no system, you learn nothing transferable from any of them. You can't tell why one did better than another, so you can't repeat it. 50 videos of effort, 0 compounding knowledge. That's the real killer. It's not the views, it's that volume without a system. It's just noise at scale. And noise at scale is how creators burn out and quit, convinced the algorithm hates them. Here's the misdiagnosis underneath it. You think the video is the unit of work? It isn't. The decision is the unit. What promise you make, to whom, and how fast you pay it off. But watch where the time actually goes. 95% on production, the filming, the editing, the B-roll, and about 5% scribbled at the end on the title and thumbnail. That's exactly backwards. You poured your hours into the part the viewer experiences after they've already decided whether to click. You optimize the thing nobody sees until it's too late. So here's the rule. The promise is the product. Package before you produce. The title and thumbnail aren't decoration you add at the end. They are the product because they're what the viewer actually buys with a click. The video is what you deliver after the sale. And here's the discipline that follows. If you can't make a promise worth clicking, don't make the video yet. The packaging isn't the last step. It's the gate the idea has to pass before it earns your production hours. 3 moves that kill the guess. 1. Title and thumbnail first, always. Before you script, before you film, you write the title and design the thumbnail. Because that's the product. If the promise doesn't make you want to click, it won't make a stranger click. Weak promise, the idea isn't ready. Don't spend the production hours to find that out the hard way. 2. Pay off the promise in the first line. The single biggest retention lever is the open. The title made a promise, sentence 1 delivers on it. No intro music over black, no hey guys, welcome back, no throat clearing. Answer right away what the video is about. You earned the click with the promise. Keep it in the first breath, or they're gone. 3. Read 1 number, change 1 thing. Don't drown in the analytics dashboard. Pick the 1 lever the data points to and run a single change. Low click-through, that's a packaging problem. Fix the title and thumbnail. Good clicks, but people leave early. That's an opening problem. Fix the hook and the pace. 1 number, 1 change, 1 video at a time. A system learns across uploads. Guessing just adds more uploads. That's the system. Package before you produce, pay off the promise instantly, and change 1 thing at a time, so every video teaches you something the next one uses. Growth stops being weather and starts being a machine you can actually steer. That's ordered clarity, pointed at your channel. The full decision system is mapped at Stackaible. Links below. Stop guessing. Start building the machine.